The iPhone can now speak in your voice.
That's right, with Personal Voice Assistant, the iPhone can now speak in your voice. But wait till the end, I'll show you what it's really good for. Grab your phone, let me show you how to set it up. Click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll down to Accessibility. Click there. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see Live Speech. Click there. And I want you to turn on Live Speech. From there, you're going to go back and then click on Personal Voice. And right here is where you can create a personal voice. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes and you can pause it at any time. And you have to record yourself and you say about 150 phrases out loud. It takes about 15 minutes. You can pause at any time. And once you're done with that, then you're gonna have a personal voice set up just like you see here. Once you're done, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here and click on Live Speech again, and then you can set up favorite phrases by clicking here. Click the plus button in the top right, and from here, just type in your phrase. Hey, how are you? Just for example, and then click Save, and you can use that at any time. We're gonna back out of here, and we're gonna go right to the home screen, and then the button on the right side of your phone, you're gonna click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and that brings up the either type to speak or phrases. So if I click phrases, I can use this one here.
Hey, how are you?
Or you can use one of my favorites.
Hey woman, get me a drink.
Okay, that one might need a little work.